Hello everyone. Today we don't have a job to do, but we do have something that we want to show you. I have been using this Snap-on wireless scan tool for last about 4 to 5 years, and recently the Snap-on truck was here, and he told me he cannot update this. This is expensive. When I bought this with all the accessories, the German adapters, and also the toolbox that comes with it. It was like a little housing set for everything. It costed me about good $14,000, but it's a shame that I don't know why Snap-on would do such a thing. This is garbage. I should just take this and toss it in the garbage. And the guy gave me a good deal, and I'm gonna sell this one maybe to one of my friends who owns a mechanic shop. See if I get my money worth for the new one. This was costing me $1,000 to update it, but unfortunately the guy couldn't update it. He told me this is discontinued by Snap-on. So we're gonna put this to the side. This is a good machine, but we're gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna show you a new one that we purchased. So this is the new one. This is the SOLUS edition. So we're gonna unbox this right now. Unwrap this little pouch. It has everything in there. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got today. It was expensive, almost like $4,000. And we're gonna be using this from here on, and you guys gonna see how we use this every day. We scan cars with this. So this is the SOLUS Edge. This is what it looked like. It has a nice feel to it. Small and lighter. It's like a tablet. Good. It comes with just a simple connector, the OBD2 connector. Let me see if I get that out of there. That's the OBD2 connector in there. Let me unwrap it. So that's the connector that goes in the vehicle, and this connects. So it's not wireless. The other one was wireless. So this one is not wireless. I was never happy with the wireless thing. Sometimes it didn't pick up. You had to wait for the two lights, one for it to blink and the other one to synchronize. So it was a hassle. Sometimes you had to shut the car off, replug and reboot the whole system. It was a mess. Comes with the little USB. I guess that's how they're gonna update it. And it has a small little charger, not a brick. So you plug this and plug this back there, and that's how it charges. It has a lithium-ion battery. It goes, you open these two screws, put it in there, and that's everything in there. This scan tool can scan pretty much everything up to 2017. The guy said he's gonna update it for me, so I got a good deal. $4,000. I was gonna spend $1,000 on the other one. $1,000 go toward this. He's gonna update it for me, and he told me, for the record, this thing to update is $500, not like the other one, $900, almost $1,000. So this video is kept as in a record also, so we have that in record on video taped. And if the guy refuses, hey, this thing is $1,000, buddy, that's not the deal we had. I wish I could record him, and I might do it when next Wednesday he's here. So let's see how that goes. So this is everything in here. Comes with a little manual in there. It has a manual booklet, warranty and everything's in there. They give you a 1-year warranty, I believe, but nothing usually goes wrong with it till after the year. And then it comes with a little card that shows you what kind of payments you can plan. $14, $16, yeah, but I'm paying more than that to get it over with. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. And I want you guys to subscribe, and throughout the works we are going to show you how to use this thing, like job by job. Let's say a check engine light comes in, how to scan it. Let's say freeze frame data, car is not, it's just down, so it shows you exactly what happened, the symptoms. We're going to use it for that. We're going to use it for TPMS sensors, and read a lot of airbags, all the little codes that you're gonna have in the dashboard lights. So this is gonna do it. Let's see how good this is compared to the Reverse. I was never happy with the Reverse, to be honest with you guys. Never. and it was a problem from day one. And I'm happy this happened, even though I'm not happy they discontinued. That machine is garbage to me, which was almost like $14,000. But let's see if I get my money back. Anyways, we're gonna end this video here, and we're gonna show you other things down the road. Thank you guys.